Good day to your family. It's your man, Juan J, coming to you live with the 15 visible parts of your revolver. We got to make sure that it is safe, it's not loaded. So if I open it up, you can see for yourself that there is nothing in the chambers. The weapon is unloaded and is pointed in a safe direction. With that said, 15 parts. Here we go. The muzzle, the barrel, the front sight, the rear sight, the hammer, okay, the back strap, the front strap, the grip, the frame, okay, the cylinder release, the cylinder, trigger, trigger guard, trigger guard. We're gonna open it up. We got the ejector rod, the yoke, and the chamber. Those are the 15 visible parts of your revolver.